So it's a really weird 4th of July. You're up here in Hot Springs State Park. You can just see the water sitting on there, just so wet and just so green. This is weird. Clear up my window a little bit. But I don't even know if they're going to have fireworks tonight. We're steadily getting rain today. I haven't even hooked up my hoses yet, so that's the way it is here. And where in the hell is Thermopolis, Wyoming? Hot Springs State Park out here in the buffalo pasture. Buffalo are way up there. I don't even know if you can see them. You need a pair of binoculars to see them. Oh well.